So we also have the edit button, which performs the following option. You can add media. So this is used to upload and insert media such as images, audio, videos, or documents. You have the paragraph, whereby you are allowed to style, which is used to perform the page text based on the styles used by your current theme. You have the bold text, you have the italic text, you have the bullet list. Here you can create an unordered bullet point list. You have the number list where you can create an ordered numbered list. You have the block quote, which is used as a way of showing a quote. How this looks will be entirely dependent on the theme that your site is currently using. You have the align left, align center, and align right. So you can move text content to the left, to the right, or to the center. And you also have the um, justify icon too. The next thing is your insert and edit link. So this is used to create an HTML link to another page or website. If no text is selected, the URL that you enter will also be used for the link text. We have the insert read more tag. Insert the read more tag into your page. Most blogs only display a small excerpt of a post, and you are required to click that post title or a read more link to continue reading the rest of the article. When you insert a more tag into your post, everything prior to the tag is considered as an excerpt. Most times, you would only use this button when you are creating a blog post rather than a page. You have the toolbar toggle used to show or hide the second row of formatting buttons on the editor toolbar. You have the distraction-free writing. Clicking this button will enlarge the editor so that it fills the browser's window. Clicking the exit full screen link at the top of the screen will reduce it back to its original size. We have the strike through, add a strike through to your text. That is the basic function. We have the horizontal line, which inserts horizontal line into your page. We also have the text color. Here you can change the color of your text to whatever it is you are trying to achieve. You have the paste as text. Copying and pasting text from other sites or word processors sometimes leave the text formatted differently to what you were expecting. The reason for this is that quite often the HTML tags or codes that formatted the original text are pasted along the text itself. In order for you to avoid this, paste as text will strip all these formatting and HTML tags. The paste as text options acts like a toggle, staying on until you turn off by clicking the button again or until you save your page content. We have the clear formatting, which is used to remove all the formatting, bold, underline, text, color, etc. from the highlighted text. We have special characters, which is used to insert special characters, not easily accessible via your laptop keyboard. So e.g. 1/4, 1/2, and the like. So we have the decrease indent, which removes one level of indenting. We have the increase indent text by only one level. We have the undo button, which will simply undo your last action. We have the redo, which can also redo your last action. We have the keyboard shortcut, which displays information about your WordPress visual editor along with keyboard shortcut. We have the visual / text, switches the editor between the visual editor and the text editor. The text editor will enable you view the HTML code that makes up your content. For more experienced users, this can be helpful at times, but for those not familiar with HTML tags, it is not recommended. So we move to editor buttons, which are available in your text editor. So we have the bold, we have the italic, we have the link, which is used to insert a website link. When the button is clicked, a pop-up window will appear where you type the URL that you would like to link to. We have the block quotes, which is used as a way of showing a quote. How this looks, like we said earlier on, depends on the theme you are currently using. We have the delete, which is used as a way of showing deleted text. How this also looks is dependent on the theme, but is usually done by showing the text with a strike through. We have the insert button, which is used as a way of showing inserted text. How this looks will also depend on what theme you are using. We have the image, which is used to insert an image into the text. When the button is clicked, and a pop-up window will appear where you type in the URL of the image that you would like to insert. We have the unordered list. We have the ordered list. We have the list item, which is used to insert a list of items into your ordered and unordered list. We have the code, used for indicating a piece of code. We have the more. The more button inserts a tag into your page. Most blog only displays a small excerpt of a post, and you are required to click the post title or the read more link to continue reading the rest of this article. When you insert a more tag into your post, everything prior to that tag is considered as an excerpt. Most times, you would only use this button when you are creating a blog post rather than a page. And we have this close tag, which is used to close open tags. We have the distraction free writing, which is used to enlarge the editor in a way whereby it fills your whole browser window. So while the actual post content entry won't change, the theme can use the selected format to display the post differently. How content is displayed is entirely up to the theme, but the following list of available post formats provides some general WordPress guidelines as to how they might be styled. We have the standard. This is the standard slash default blog post format. We have the aside, typically styled with a title similar to the Facebook notes update. Audio and audio files such as a podcast, chat transcript, gallery, which encompasses your images. Post will likely contain a gallery shortcode and will have image attachment. We have the image, which comprises of a single image, the link, which will direct you to another site. We have the quote, a quotation most likely contained within a blog quote. Status, a short status update similar to a Twitter status update. And we have the video, which will contain a single video. So this brings us to the end of introduction to WordPress and what WordPress dashboard stands for. So on the next video, we will go into WordPress development on a local server. See you and bye-bye.